Maldives Countdown to Bliss. I'm giving you 10 reasons to book the Maldives before someone else snags your dream overwater villa. 1. Water so clear it looks fake. Glassy turquoise where you can see your toes from a boat. It resets your brain on sight. 2. Overwater bungalows. Slide from bed to lagoon in 3 steps. Coffee on a deck that floats. It's peak main character energy. 3. House reefs. Strap on a mask and you're in an aquarium. Neon parrotfish, turtles, reef sharks just cruising like it's Tuesday. 4. Sand so soft it squeaks. White, sugar fine, no shoes for days. Your feet will send you a thank you note. 5. Sunsets that light the sky on fire. Pink, tangerine, and that last sliver of gold that makes you whisper wow without thinking. 6. Seaplane arrivals. You're not just landing, you're gliding over a mosaic of blue on blue on blue. The approach is the trailer for your trip. 7. Privacy like nowhere else. Tiny islands, big space. It's you, the ocean, and the soundtrack of palm leaves. 8. Elevated everything. Spa huts over water, breakfast floats in your pool, stargazing that feels 4K. 9. Island hopping. Each atoll has a vibe. Surf breaks, chill hideaways, luxe foodie scenes. 10. The feeling. That deep quiet I made it exhale. The one you chase through busy weeks and loud cities. You'll find it here. Why go now? Rising demand, limited villas, and the reefs are still dazzling. Every month you wait is one less pristine sunrise you'll wake up to. Pack light. If this helped, like and subscribe for more travel videos.